hinge repair, and deep cleaning on Dell Latitude 3330 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Dinah, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Dell Latitude 3330 laptop underwent a hinge repair and deep cleaning maintenance service to fully restore its mechanical stability, internal cleanliness, and overall operational reliability. Over extended use, the laptop's hinge began showing signs of wear and damage, making it difficult to open or close the lid smoothly. The hinge had loosened over time due to repetitive movement and pressure on the display assembly, causing misalignment and instability that risked further damage to the casing and display panel. The repair procedure started with a complete disassembly of the laptop. Using precision tools, the bottom cover, keyboard, and display components were carefully removed to expose the hinge mechanism. This step required meticulous attention to detail to avoid harming delicate internal components, such as the motherboard, display cables, and wireless antenna lines. Once exposed, the hinge assembly was examined closely to identify the root cause of the issue. It was observed that some hinge screws had become loose and that the mounting points inside the casing showed minor cracks due to strain. To address these problems, the damaged areas were reinforced using high-strength epoxy resin, and any worn screw posts were rebuilt to provide stronger support for the new hinge mounts. The hinge was then properly realigned to ensure smooth and balanced movement between the display and base. Brand new screws and washers were installed to secure the hinge tightly, preventing future loosening. After completing the mechanical restoration, the hinge was tested several times by opening and closing the lid to ensure smooth operation, uniform tension, and no resistance or wobbling. Once the hinge repair was successfully completed, the next step was to perform a comprehensive deep cleaning of the laptop's internal components. Over time, dust and dirt had accumulated inside the system's cooling vents and fan assembly, affecting airflow and thermal efficiency. Excessive heat can significantly reduce performance and cause long-term hardware degradation, so this step was critical to maintain system health. The cleaning process began by carefully removing the cooling fan and heat sink. Compressed air and anti-static brushes were used to remove dust particles from the fan blades, vents, and motherboard. Special attention was given to the heat sink fins, as they often trap fine dust that obstructs airflow. The old, dried thermal paste from the CPU was cleaned off using isopropyl alcohol, and a fresh layer of high-quality thermal compound was applied to enhance heat dissipation. This ensures the laptop can run at optimal temperature levels even during heavy workloads. After cleaning, every internal part was reassembled, ensuring proper cable management and secure fitting of all components. The battery, hard drive, and RAM were checked to confirm that all hardware connections were firm and stable. Before fully reassembling the outer casing, the hinge alignment was inspected once again to make sure that both sides were symmetrical and properly tensioned. Once the reassembly was complete, the laptop was powered on and underwent a series of performance and functionality tests. These tests included boot-up diagnostics, fan speed monitoring, and temperature checks under different workloads. The hinge was tested repeatedly to confirm smooth operation without stiffness or looseness, and the display alignment was verified to ensure proper closure when folded. After the full inspection, the Dell Latitude 3330 was observed to be in excellent working condition. The hinge now functions smoothly and firmly, providing proper support to the display without any wobbling or imbalance. The deep cleaning successfully improved cooling efficiency, resulting in lower operating temperatures, reduced fan noise, and overall better system performance. This maintenance process not only restored the physical durability of the laptop, but also greatly improved its internal stability and longevity. The hinge repair ensures structural strength and daily usability, while the deep cleaning enhances the laptop's ability to maintain stable operation over long hours of use. Together, These services give the Dell Latitude 3330 a renewed life, making it perform like new and ready for continuous work, study, or personal use. In conclusion, the Hinge repair and deep cleaning procedure provided long-term benefits to the Dell Latitude 3330 laptop. It addressed both mechanical and thermal issues that could have worsened over time if left untreated. After the maintenance, the laptop not only looked cleaner and more stable, but also performed more efficiently and quietly. These improvements ensure a longer lifespan, improved reliability, and a better overall experience for the user. Hinge repair and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.